Hey everyone, love burning my fireplace in the wintertime, so I came up with a fireplace cart. I bought it on Amazon. The problem was all the wood always fell down on the floor when I was taking it through the house, and it made a big mess, so I put plywood everywhere on all sides. What this did is totally contain the mess and allowed me to even stack more wood. So now it's very nice and neat and organized. It lasts me 3 or 4 days. I have a little pan there to dust up all my mess. I have fire gloves so I never burn myself for safety. I've just really made a ton of improvements here to managing my fireplace. My favorite improvement is so silly. This little tray, a baking pan, fits underneath the lip of here to sweep everything on. Then I put a piece of our plastic fast edge here, and what that does is allows me to use this as a multi-purpose, a dustpan, so if I get anything on the floor, I can just sweep it up right into there. So simple, so effective.